and we're gonna watch Muppet Christmas Carol, one of my favorites. Bianca's home from school, and she has a little bit of a cold. John's eating cereal. These cats are starting to fight. So, I'm going to go through my cupboard and figure out what we don't use. Only stuff that hasn't been unopened. We can give to the food pantries or whatever, and the rest of it, you know, that we don't want, we'll just throw out. This door has to be like held open by something though. So I'm gonna find something to do that. Yeah, I was able to find something to sort of hold it open. So here we got top shelf here. We definitely use honey. This is gonna be kind of difficult to do because I don't have a table or anything right here that I can put stuff down. So I'm gonna have to keep walking over to my stove, which is kind of messy. I haven't washed it off yet, sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna keep the honey. Try not to look at my messy kitchen. We have this stinging honey. I actually really like this, but I don't use it that often, but I do use it on occasion. And I think it'll pretty much last forever because it's a hot sauce. But I do like it on chicken. It's really good. We're gonna keep that. I wish I had a helper with me. It'd be a lot easier, but everybody's asleep. Molasses, we definitely have to keep that.
Hello.
Oh. I am not making anything. I'm recording going through my cupboard. We got some balsamic vinegar. There are cobwebs up there. That's not good. Ah, knew that wasn't gonna last. Again, hold on. Okay, this pone broth. That's beef jalapeno sea salts. Oh, cobwebs, man. I had no idea there were cobwebs in here. We're never gonna use this. This could probably go into a bag. I gotta find a bag. Okay, so this is gonna go into the bag. Got a bag right here. Like I said, everything's messy over here right now. What else do we got? We got Caro. Yeah, I need that for different things. Now see, messy. This has already been opened. Graham cracker and marshmallow cream swirl, which wasn't put on back tightly. I don't know about that. This is really difficult to do without a table or helper. We've got pure sesame seed oil. There's very little left in here. It's super old. I can't remember the last time I used it. Like years. So I think it should just probably go into recycling. Which reminds me, you know it's recycling tonight, right? Okay. We got some peanut butter. Which I rarely use peanut butter lately because I like cashew butter. But we'll keep this. Monarch oil and vinegar. What is this? Oh, black truffle oil. We need to keep that. This is imitation vanilla, which I never use because I use real vanilla. Somebody brought this to my house when they wanted to bake something for me, and it's just, it's too bad. It's already been opened, so I can't give it to the whatever. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, to be honest. Look at John. There's John.
Hello.
Eating cereal?
Sugar's 53.
Oh, that is bad. Okay, we got this hot sauce, chili habanero. Yeah, we're gonna definitely keep that. I like that. Yes, Frank's Red Hot Sweet Ginger. This is the other kind that we have from Frank's Red Hot, and I like this one too. It's also yummy on chicken. Mint jelly, we're getting rid of this. Look how dusty it is on top. That is definitely going, because we don't use that at all. I do not like mint jelly. Definitely keeping this curry sauce. I will make that eventually. So I got that. I've got blueberry vinegar. That's definitely staying. Black cherry balsamic vinegar. That's definitely staying. Baking soda. Pancake mix stays. Hershey's cocoa stays. Browning and seasoning, yeah. Frank's Red Hot Sweet Ginger. Yeah, we got 2 things of the sweet ginger that are both open. That's not good. And we have Black Mission Fig Balsamic Vinegar, and back there is Liquid Smoke, which I sometimes use. So yeah, all this stuff is staying. So I'm just gonna grab the other stuff that we're keeping and put it back in here. So here we go with this part. We've got pure dark brown sugar. We're definitely keeping that. This can of tuna. Don't know why that's in this area. You should go down in this area. But sometimes stuff gets moved around because of room. Like right now, I'm trying to figure out where to put this. I guess we'll just stick it down there. Sorry that the camera's getting moved around so much. We've got chocolate chips. That's definitely, probably everything in here is gonna stay. We've got lots of brown sugar. But this definitely needs to get organized. You know what, I'm just gonna do it and then I'm gonna come back. Better. It's not perfect, but it's better. And yeah, there's pumpkin spice pancake mix and vegetable shortening too. So now onto this one. That's gonna be a little more difficult. So anyways, back to what I was saying. This all looks pretty good now. Got some enchilada sauce. Things that I've forgotten that we had, you know, and now I'll be able to use them. So, clean this all up. It looks so much better. It was so bad. It was just a mess. Like, things I've been looking for, it was like, oh, there's that. You know, like a cardamom. It just was disappeared into the mess, and just some different stuff. So, you can see all the different things that I work with here. These are like some of my favorite things. I love these things. So good. Yeah. Yeah, this is like all these versions of those. These I buy at Walmart, these ones. But yeah. You can see all my stuff I used for cooking. And now, over here, there are the bags of stuff that's gonna go. We've got cabbage, Szechuan, whatever. I do not like Miracle Whip, so this is going. That was a mistake that was made one day. Turkey brine, because I don't brine turkeys anymore, and I make my own brine when I do anyway, so this will be nice for somebody. Creamy peanut butter, Parmesan bread stuff. We've got lots of pork and beans in down here, because Bianca doesn't like the brand that I got. Got some corn mix. This has quinoa in it, and I hate quinoa. Farro, blueberry muffin mix. I don't use stuff like that, so that's all going. This roasted vegetable demi-glace. I don't even know what to do with that. So yeah, as you can see, I'm thawing out all this hamburger. I got a big thing of it, and then I'm gonna just cook it all and then portion it out. So, because you can't thaw it out and put it back in the freezer raw, but after you cook it, you can put it back in the freezer. So I'm gonna like cook it, portion it out, and put it in the freezer to use in like recipes where you just need ground beef that's, you know, cooked up. So yeah, this is my life. Thanks for watching. Okay, to the skin. So cinnamon powder will stay, dried figs will stay, sea salt stays, confectioner's sugar. This Parmesan and basil bread mix is going. I'm never gonna make that. Brown sugar. Dried cranberries will stay, and all these different chips will stay. So I got that figured out. I just gotta put it back.